Hi everyone again. This video is the part 2 and in the continuation of the chapter 2 creating charts in MS Excel 2016. In the previous video we just explored a few things about the chart and how to insert the chart, and one of the types of charts, that is the column chart, was also taught by me, and I think many of you might have done the practical in your respective phones or in your systems. If you haven't performed it yet, kindly perform it and send the files to me. So in this video let's just explore the other types of charts. So let's just begin exploring the other types of charts. I have already selected my Excel sheet. This is the same Excel sheet that I took in the previous video. So the same thing, insert tab, and then as you can see the chart. In the previous video we inserted the column chart. Now let's just insert the line chart, and let's just look how the outcome, how does it looks. So I think I would like to go with the second one. All right, it has been inserted. It's so easy to insert, कुछ इतना rocket science नहीं है इसमें, ठीक है? So as you can see here is the chart title. I also told you how to correct the chart title. I just double clicked on it and मुझे इसका चेंज करना है, मैचेस कर देते हैं. The same I did in the previous video. Title, all right, it has been done. I have just changed the title. So now you can see the legends over here. The blue lines represents the matches won over the 4 years, and the orangish line represents the matches played over the last 4 years. All right, so this is how the line chart it looks like. It is, agar if you people pay attention while you look, or while you watch TV, while you watch for the news in the television, if you people might have paid attention, you might have seen ज़्यादातर ये production या फिर sales की जब चीज़ें आती हैं या न्यूज़ आती हैं, यूजुअली लाइन चार्ट्स ही यूज़ होते हैं उनको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए. ठीक है, तो ये जो मैनी जो लाइन चार्ट्स यूजुअली रिप्रेजेंट बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होते हैं जब हम बता रहे होते कि इतने पीरियड में इतना कुछ चेंज हो गया है. Depicting, they are very much useful in depicting the change in a value over a period of time. ऐसा नहीं है कि बाकी चांद से काम नहीं कर सकते, but it is much more simpler and easier to understand that very change over a period of time through the line chart. Okay, so now let's just understand the other kinds of the charts. So first we'll delete it. How we'll delete it? We'll just select it and then the option arises, then delete it. So now let's just select the data again and we'll go the charts, and then we'll be inserting, we have done column line, now we'll be inserting the pie chart. So I am very much comfortable in the first one. ठीक है, आपको जो सही लग रहा है वो select करोगे. ठीक है, all right. So now let me just tell you first, this pie chart, it is used to plot data for a single data series only. ठीक है, जैसे देख सकते हैं आप यहाँ पे ये सिर्फ मैचेस वॉन बता रहा है. ठीक है, एक सेकेंड, लेट मी जस्ट, ओके फाइन. So if you can see, it is just showing the plotting the data for a single data series. It is showing the matches won only. ठीक है, so matches won यानी कि year 1, where is the pen? So year 1 में this bluish part. So year 1 का जो proportion आपको दिख रहा है पूरे, अगर आप पाई से कंपेयर कर रहे हो तो इट इज़ वेरी मच स्मॉलर प्रपोर्शन, बहुत ही छोटा सा प्रपोर्शन एज कंपेयर टू द अदर. सो इट्स अंडरस्टूड, ये जो प्रपोर्शन है, it is this proportion, it is in the relation of to the value it represents. ठीक है, तो this year 1, in year 1 only 4 matches were won. in last 4 years में आपकी खाली एक ही मैच वन हुआ था, सॉरी 4 मैचेस वन हुए थे फर्स्ट ईयर में, तो obviously इसका proportion भी छोटा होगा as compared to the other. ठीक है, in the same way if you'll see the year 4, लेट मी जस्ट हाईलाइट इट, ईयर 4। तो ईयर 4 का अगर आप यहाँ पे चेक करेंगे तो ईयर 4 में 12 मैचेस वी वर वन बाय द टीम, 12 मैचेस इन ईयर 4, 12 मैचेस इन ईयर 4। ऑलराइट, सो देख सकते हैं आप इसका प्रपोर्शन। आई एम सो सॉरी, ईयर 4, sorry, year 4 I'm in the pie I'm representing it wrong, ठीक है। year 4 it is the year 4, if you can see that इसका proportion is the highest, क्योंकि 12 matches अभी compare करो 4 9 7 12, 12 is the highest, obviously जो the area or the pie which is representing the slice which is representing it will be higher, will be the most will occupy the more area, right? So now this pie chart has been done. Now let's just understand the other, let's just explore the other charts also. Wait a second. All right, so let's just insert the other chart, that is the bar chart. Okay, so bar chart, basically bar chart वही है, it is also, it illustrates the, makes the comparisons of the individual items. So let's just select अपनी मर्जी का, let's just select it, I'm selecting it, ठीक है, I just liked representation. So I'm okay, where has the chart gone? All right, so the same thing, as you can see, the legends, blue is representing the matches won over the last 4 years, and the orange is representing the matches played in last 4 years. All right, so let's just understand and explore the other charts too. It's a very simple chapter. All right, so there is a scatter chart also. So scatter chart में what happens, it plots each data point with a marker, एक point के through, एक marker के through represent कर देगा data, that's it, इसका काम खत्म हो गया, ठीक है। ऐसे scattered होते हैं points chart में, तो इसलिए इसको scattered chart भी बोला जाता है। Let me just show you, then it will be just more clear to you. So see, have a look over it. So as I told you that the points, it will just represent the data through the different points, and see the points are, they are just scattered in the whole chart. That is why this chart is known as the scattered chart. Okay, and you can see the blue points, wait a second, these blue points, they represent the matches won, and the orange points, they are representing the matches played by the team in the last 4 years, okay? So this is the scattered chart. They are much more useful in plotting the relationship like height and weight, price, sales, right? So what we can do is we can also connect these lines. Essay, there's an option available, okay? Points can on a chart scatter, they can be connected with a line, but usually इसको ऐसे ही तभी इसका नाम scatter रखा गया, that is why it is usually represented without lines. All right, so now let's explore the other ones also. Let's just delete it. I hope the video is not much longer. So let's just explore the other ones which are in your course, okay? There are many here, but we'll explore only those which are in your course. So other one is the area chart. So I like this one, I'll be going with this one, okay? So as you can see, the legend, the matches won, blue part it represents the matches won, and the orangish part it represents the matches played in the last 4 years. So these are the different kinds of the charts, types of the charts available in the MS Excel, okay? So that is it for this video, and kindly just perform the practicals and send me the files. Obviously, if you are watching this video, you might be having the cell phones, the Android phones, and if you have systems, kindly just perform your practicals in the system and send me the practicals. Don't just be confined to cramming up the things. Okay, so by that time, take care.